Hi, good day. I am Joanne Marie Fabra Simangan, and the topic that I'm going to discuss is the product of binomials. Today, we're going to explore how to multiplying binomials is a useful skills in both algebra and real world. Binomials show up in a variety of scenarios like measuring areas, finding relationship in geometric shapes, and solving equations. Let's find let's first see why this matters. So, binomials are expressions with two terms such as x plus 3 times 2x minus 4. Imagine you have a rectangular garden where one side is x plus 3 meters long, and the other side is x plus 2 meters wide. How can we find the area of the garden? By multiplying the length and width. Now, I'm going to discuss the FOIL method. FOIL stands for F for first, multiplying the first term in each binomial. O for outer, multiplying the outer term. I, inner, multiplying the inner term. L, last, multiplying the last term.
About how to find the product of binomials using the find method. Hi guys, it's me Teacher Gon. In today's video, we will talk about how to find the product of binomials using the find method. Your FOIL stands for the first terms, outer terms, inner terms, and last terms. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now let us multiply these two binomials. So as you can see, we have 1 and 2. 1 and 2 terms, so we're trying to find the product of the two binomials. Following the find method, your first terms are x and x, so you will multiply them. What is x times x? That would give you x squared. Next, the outer terms. The outer terms are the terms on the left and right side of this given binomials. We have the x and 5. So let us multiply them. X times negative 5. And the answer is negative 5x. After the outer terms, let's talk about the inner terms. Inner terms are the terms inside the parentheses. And these are 4 and x. So let us multiply 4 and x. 4 times x. So that would be plus 4x. Next is the L, or the last terms. The last terms of the two binomials. That is 4 and negative 5. So let us multiply 4 times negative 5. That would give the answer of negative 20. And after doing the find method, guys, what you need to do is to find whether there are terms now we can combine. Like this one, we have negative 5x and 4x. So we will copy x squared. And as we add negative 5x and 4x, that will give us the answer of negative x. And then copy minus 20. And this is now the answer for the product of the two given binomials as we multiply them. Using the find method, we have x squared minus x minus 20. Now let's proceed with x plus 3 times x plus 5. Using the find method, the first terms, x times x, we have the x squared, x and 5, x times 5, that is plus 5x. Next, 3 times x, that is plus 3x. Last terms, 3 times 5, that is plus 15. Okay, copy x squared. Combine 5x and 3x because they are like terms. That is plus 8x then plus 15. And this is now the product of the given binomials. In the next part of our video, I will give you
Like what I said a while ago, imagine you have a rectangular garden where one side is x plus 3 length or meters long and the other side is x plus 2 meters wide. So, the process that we are going to do is first multiply the first term, which is x times x equals x squared. Next, let's multiply the outer, which is x times 2 equals 2x. Next is the inner, which is x times x equals 3x. Last is 2 times 2 equals 6. Now, after we get the equation or the standard form, now we need to add the combined terms, which is the 2x and 3x. So the answer is 2 squared plus 5x plus 6. Always remember when you multiply two binomials, follow the step, which is the FOIL method, the first, outer, inner, and last. Always combining the like terms. So, in the next minutes or after I discuss the FOIL method, in the next is the example or the process on how to get the or in on how to operate or use the FOIL method.
examples for us to solve using the FOIL method. Now let's answer your third example. We have here 4v plus 2 times 5v minus 8. So remember FOIL, the first terms are 4v and 5b. Multiply them. 4 times 5 is 20. V times v is v squared. So their product is 20v squared. Next, outer terms, 4v and a negative 8. Let's multiply them. 4v times negative 8 is definitely negative 32v. Next, inner terms. Inner terms are 2 and 5v. Let's multiply them. 2 times 5v, that is plus 10v. And last terms for letter L. The constants 2 times negative 8, that is negative 16. Combine these two terms, guys, because they are like terms. Copy this one. 20v squared negative 32v plus 10v is definitely negative 22v. Then copy minus 16. And this is now the product of the binomials. 4v plus 2 times 5v minus 8. And let us have the last example. 7x minus 3 times 2x plus 4. Multiply these numbers. 7x times 2x is 14x squared. Next, 7x times 4. 7 times 4 is 28 with x plus 28x. Next, negative 3, 2x. That is negative 6x. Last one. Negative 3 plus 4, since different signs, that is negative or minus 12. Combine these middle terms. We have 14x squared plus, this is plus 22x, then minus 12. And as you can see, it is easy for us to multiply or to get the product of the two binomials using the FOIL method. So, for your activity, I will give you